Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hide system icons from status bar on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. To do that, we're gonna need to download and install an unofficial Samsung app called GoodLock, which is available both on Google Play Store and Galaxy Store. So just open whichever you have closer and then find the GoodLock application, download and install it. Then wait until it's installed, and after that open this application. Then agree to terms of service and continue, and then here find and download the QuickStar module. Once you download it, open it and then switch it on, and after that you're gonna have to go to visibility of indicator icons, and now you can disable indicator icons by switching the toggle off next to them, and this will disable basically all the system icons on your status bar. As you can see, they are one by one disappearing from the status bar, and now the only thing we have here is the clock, and we can also disable it by going to clock settings and selecting hide. And now we only have notifications, which we can clear and have the empty status bar. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.